Google Meet from adding calls to your device call history. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can prevent the Google Meet from adding calls to your device call history. For that, you have to follow this simple step. Launch the Google Meet app on your device. Once you have launched the Google Meet app, you have to tap on the profile picture or the three horizontal line which is on the top left corner of the screen to open up the menu. Once you are here, you have to just go and select your setting. Once you are on your setting, you have to just go and look for the call history or go for the meeting setting here. So you can go for the history too. So once you are on your history, you have to disable the call history or look for the option like add calls to the device call history here. So you have to make sure there is any changes made. So just go for the auto delete here to prevent Google Meet from adding call here. So also you can delete your all call history or export your history. So this is the process how you can prevent Google Meet from adding calls to your device call history. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.